Everyone, this is Meena Vijay Pense and let's see what the first week of November 2020 has in store for the sun sign Taurus. So overall, this week is going to be a week for you where you would actually want the loving presence of your loved ones around you. Sometimes more than the conversations or the talk, even the presence of your loved one around you would make you feel very, very warm and very secure, and will make you feel as if you're very supported. So this is a week where you will need a lot of physical presence of your family people around you. Probably you may not even talk with them. Probably you would be doing their own thing and they would be doing theirs, but you would constantly physically need your own people around you, especially on a physical level for this particular week, because you would want to feel a little bit supported just by looking at them and feeling that, okay, you know what, I am not alone, I have someone around me. So this is this kind of a week. Moving on to the area of work, the Taurians for the first week of November have to be very, very careful with their time management and discipline. This is because at your workspace you might have some sudden unexpected work coming in, which is going to kind of slightly disturb your previous routines and schedules. You may be having deadlines to meet, and a little bit of unexpected work can just shake off the entire routine in general. So for the first week of November 2020, the Taurians are advised to have a very nice, tight schedule and planning way ahead for the week when it comes to their work, so that if in case any extra work comes in, they are easily able to accommodate that extra work, as well as not lag behind on any of the deadlines that they have been given in their workspace. So yes, the workspace is going to be very, very busy, and see to it that you try to complete your things before time. Well, the work is going to pile up. Some things are going to be thrown up at you at the last minute. But then if you finish the work that you know that is supposed to be finished way in advance, you will be at a little bit of an advantageous position to then complete the work which is given to you at the last minute. So yes, for the first week of November 2020, the Taurians are actually supposed to be on their toes at their place of work. Moving on to finances, the cards suggest that for the first week of November, see to it that even if you are really, really tempted into buying something or making a financial investment or making that big purchase, completely refrain from doing so. So there is a chance that there might be a particular product or a particular purchase that you've been really, really wanting to make for since a very, very long time, and you're just actually looking at an opportunity to buy it when things are feasible. But what is going to happen is that if you buy something in the first week of November, by the end of November you will actually land up realizing that what you thought was very, very advantageous or very, very fruitful is not exactly the way it is supposed to be. There are chances that you might land up discovering that something which is let's say for example available at the price of 1,000, you have actually gone ahead and in a state of enthusiasm bought it for 2,500, and that there was a place where the same item could have been bought for ₹1,000. So there's going to be some kind of a disappointment when it comes to your financial purchases for the first week of November 2020, and that is the reason that the cards are asking the Taurians to exercise complete restraint on making any kind of major purchases for the first week of November. It will be very tempting. You will be just tempted to just go ahead and swipe that card and just pay it in cash and buy that thing, but please refrain, because towards the end of the weekend you will realize that it was not really much of a feasible decision. Moving on to the space of relationships. For couples who are in love and are seeking for a further kind of a commitment that goes towards an engagement or a marriage, this is a week where you should not be asking for or even giving a commitment. This is a week, a very decisive week, where there are chances that some things might happen in such a way in the first week of November that you might actually think the other way. You might actually want to slow down a bit when it comes to your relationship. So especially for the first week of November, do not want a commitment, do not give a commitment. Rather, this is a very good week to discuss how you actually feel, discuss the finer nuances of your relationship in the maximum of detail. It would give you a lot of insight of what the other person is actually wanting or seeking in a relationship. This is a week where you might suddenly discover in a relationship that, oh, this is exactly what I wanted, but let's say the other person has misinterpreted it. So there are going to be likely some kind of misinterpretations that are going to happen between two people within a relationship. So this week, see to it that you do not get into the thing of commitment. Rather, keep your communication lines open and communicate more often. Moving on to the health department, what the card suggests is that for the first week of November, the Taurians should be particularly careful while eating. You have to really watch what you put into your mouth, because this week is a week where knowingly or unknowingly you would actually land up binge eating more, or there's a tendency that you are going to put on a lot of weight, particularly in the first week of November. So in order to take care of this situation, see to it that you dedicatedly don't miss your exercise schedules. Watch out particularly what you eat in the first week of November. Your weight might increase, so just see to it that you are just off oily foods or fried foods or particularly sweet. There is a tendency that you might just think, an extra piece would not really matter, but it would matter. For the first week of November 2020, it would really matter, because then it would set off a chain of you binge eating throughout the entire month. So see to it that you curb yourself in the first week of November and save yourself all those extra pounds that you would be putting on if you don't pay attention to what you eat. Have a very, very beautiful week ahead.